Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In my last video, I talked about replacing the Arduino on your R-cnc with a Mach3 controller, which allows for much better performance and general usability. Today we're going to talk about how to wire it. On the left side, you'll see the x-axis output on the Mach3 controller. There are 3 wires coming out, and they correspond to the 3 wires on the left side of this motor driver. On this stepper driver, there are 6 inputs. 5 of them are used, and this common wire must be spliced into 2 other ports on this driver. The other 2 correspond to these 2 wires here. On the right hand side of this driver, there are 4 outputs. These 4 correspond to the colored wires coming out of the motors and should be pretty self-explanatory to wire. The last 2 wires on the very right hand side are positive and negative from the power supply. As far as stepper wiring goes, that should be all you need. In the next video, I'm going to talk about how to set up and wire an automatic tool touch-off. Thanks for watching.